thought I'd make a quick video showing the little trick that I do on these Volkswagen exhaust gaskets. Worked on my black bug. These modern exhausts, and a lot of the exhausts that are made now for the old Volkswagens, the flanges that attach to the cylinder head on the back don't line up very well with the cylinder heads, and it causes leaks. You can see this one was leaking here. That's what the black is exhaust that was leaking through there. Because it was leaking, it destroyed this exhaust gasket. You can see it's missing. The sealing ring is burnt up and missing. Anyways, what I've done in the past and what I'm going to do on this bug, my black bug here, to fix that is, this is the side that was leaking. You can see here the black exhaust leaking to the outside. But what I have always done is, these are the cheap metal gaskets that come with the kits, but you can use it with whatever gasket you have. You put one and then you put two on, and double gasketing that takes up the slack, you know, the misalignment and slack, and it almost always seals well once you double gasket each side. I don't have that one double gasketed yet, but, and of course you have to, if you double gasket this side, you have to double gasket the other side too. And this whatchamacallit issue is not a big deal for the front, where the J tubes go here, the front places the exhaust goes on, because there's not this dimension there at play. So the front's seal fine with just one gasket normally. But anyways, that's my little trick for the exhaust gaskets on the old Volkswagens.